Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers here. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. Question we will watch here. Which company manufactures low and high power communication equipment like radios for the use of defense services and paramilitary organization? Option A Bharat Electronics Limited BEL. Option B God Shepherd Limited GSL. Option C Bharat Dynamic Limited BDL. And option D none of the above. So the correct option is option A Bharat Electronics Limited BEL. Next question. Where is the judicature of Orissa? Option A Bhubaneswar. Option B Cuttack. Option C both. And option D none of the above. So the correct option is option B Cuttack. Next question. Which of the followings are the members of SARC? SARC means South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. This is the SARC institution. So the first option is Bhutan, Bangladesh, India and Pakistan. Second option Bhutan, Bangladesh, the Maldives, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Option C Afghanistan, Pakistan, Thailand, Indonesia, Nepal and Sri Lanka. And option D none of the above. So the correct option is option B Bhutan, Bangladesh, the Maldives, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Sri Lanka. Next question. Where is the permanent secretariat of the SARC? This is the question. First option Kathmandu. Option B New Delhi. Option C Islamabad. And option D Colombo. So the correct option is option A Kathmandu. Option A is the correct option, and Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. So, students, I wish you have enjoyed this lecture and gain knowledge. Now I am completing my short lecturing here. Namaskar.